Hey, what's up guys? My name is Felix and today we're making the most superest duperest healthiest macaroni of all time. Psych! Okay, yeah, she's a little unhealthy, okay. But that's why I love her. Aww. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna grab 24 ounces of medium shells and boil them for about 12 minutes.
Nice.
Meanwhile, while it's boiling, we're gonna make our roux. So all we're gonna do for that roux is melt 1 stick of butter and add half a cup of flour. We are then gonna whisk it and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's nice and light brown.
I repeat, do not undercook your roux, or your macaroni will taste like flour.
After your roux's done cooking, we're gonna slowly add 3 whole cups of heavy whipping cream. We are then gonna whisk it until it's nice and thick. After your arms are done screaming in pain, we're gonna turn off the heat and cut the cheese. So all we're gonna do is grab 1 pound of smoked Gouda and a pound of sharp cheddar and shred it for that sauce. We are then gonna set that goodness to a side and shred another half a pound of Gouda and sharp cheddar for that topping. After that, we're gonna put the cream mixture right back on low heat and slowly add 2 whole pounds of cheese. Meanwhile, while we're adding the cheese, we're gonna whisk it so it can be nice and silky. We are then gonna add a tablespoon of mustard, a dash of pepper, and a dash of salt. We're then gonna stir it up and set it to a side. The next thing we're gonna do is add a teaspoon of garlic salt, some pepper, and a little bit more of that salt. And then finally, try it. The next thing we're gonna do is pour that creamy sauce all over those noodles. Creamy! We're then gonna give it a little stir and pour half of the macaroni inside a 9 by 13 inch pan. After that, we're gonna sprinkle half the mound cheese from the topping right on top. We're then gonna pour the rest of the macaroni and cheese and also the rest of the cheese we have left on top. We are then gonna melt 1 whole stick of unsalted butter and smash up 1 whole roll of Ritz. We are then gonna combine the two and add 1/4 cup of Parmesan to the mixture. Look at that buttery goodness. Finally, we're gonna sprinkle that mixture over that macaroni and bake it for this many minutes.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have a great day. Peace!